Okay, welcome. This is a fix for NDI not showing in OBS, right? You are seeing my OBS here, right? And when you right click here, add, then you are not seeing NDI here, right? So this is the basic fix, right? And before showing you the fix, I assume that you install NDI 4 tools, right? And you install OBS NDI this recent version, right? To download these, where to find these, check the description. I have placed the link there to download these two files, right? And install these two files. Okay, then when you install these two files, then if OBS is already present there, right, then it will ask that either to install OBS NDI in same directory or not, right? So it depends on the condition, so you can choose different directory or the same directory, right? So in case here you are seeing I am in OBS Studio, OBS plugins and 64-bit right here, right? So here when we try to find OBS NDI files, there are two files, that there must be two files we are not seeing here, right? So while installing this, right, make sure note that where it is being installed and go to that directory, right? For example, I have placed these two files here. For example, this is installed in drive D, right? OBS Studio with different directory. Then go there and find OBS plugins and these two files, right? OBS NDI DLL, OBS NDI PDB, right? And copy that, right? And go to your original OBS Studio installed file and then OBS plugin, then 64-bit, right? And place it here, right? Okay, I placed it. Now close this OBS, right? And again open it. Since I'm recording with OBS right now, so I'll stop the recording. I'll again start the recording and I'll show you, right? Right now it is not showing here NDI files, right? So I started recording again. Now right click, add. Now you can see NDI source here, right? So in this way you can get NDI source in your OBS.